Teehon Electronics, which was founded in 2008, has been dedicated to automotive LED light developing and manufacturing for more than 13 years. It has the world's leading producing and testing facilities. Our factory, which covers an area of 6,000 square meters, consists of 3 workshops: an LED encapsulating workshop, a PCB assembly workshop, and an LED light assembly workshop. There are totally 7 production lines at the factory. It's also equipped with more than 40 advanced production facilities and testing devices, such as automatic die bonders, wire bonders, Japanese-made automatic high-speed SMT machines, 16 zones reflow soldering machine, and optical integrating spheres. Our technical team have accumulated more than 10 years of manufacturing experience. They have high professional technical level and strong technical force. We insist on technical accumulation and continuous innovation in the production process. Meanwhile, we insist on high-quality material selection and exquisite details to meet the different needs of customers. Our workers manufacture products strictly according to the drawings and strictly control every production procedure. Every step of the production procedure conform to the regulation of ISO 9001-2015. The performance and quality of the LED lights produced are guaranteed. Thus, we can provide customers superior quality, high standard, and cost-effective products. Each finished product needs to do waterproof test, vibration test, and aging test before packing and shipping. With powerful developing capability, we not only manufacture automotive LED work lights, LED light bars, LED headlights, but also customize LED light circuit board for more than 100 automotive LED light factories in China. As a leading automotive LED light manufacturer, we provide ODM and OEM services to worldwide customers. Our company is ISO 9001-2015 certified. All products comply with the regulations of EMARC, CE, FCC, IP67, RoHS, REACH, and WEEE. With excellent performance, reliable quality, and extraordinary after-sales services, our products have been exported to more than 40 countries such as the United States, United Kingdom, Italy, Sweden, Poland. We also gained a high reputation in automotive lighting field.